Imagine a child with a mysterious illness. Doctors run a full genetic test and find many small differences in the child's DNA. But which one is actually causing the disease? Current method fails to find a clear answer in more than half of cases. As a result, doctors can't give the child an answer, even after the family has spent a lot of time and money on testing. So, how can we tell which DNA change is to blame? One way is through other patients. If someone else with the same disease have the same DNA change, it's a clue. Another way is through animal experiments. Science can change the animal's DNA to see if it caused the disease. But what if there's no other patient to compare with? What if experiments are too slow or too expensive? That's where computers come in. Scientists have built computer programs to predict whether a DNA change is harmful, like a risk meter. Each program gives a score showing how likely a DNA change is to cause the disease. But there are two big problems. First, even the best program can only confidently identify about 20% of disease-causing DNA change. Second, different programs often disagree. One might say change is harmful, while another say it is benign. My research focuses on using these computer tools smarter. To address the first problem, the limited power of individual tools, I use statistical method to find out what's confusing the program and remove those source of confusion. This increased the amount of strong evidence assigned by 50%. For the second problem, disagree with between tools. I created a framework that let tools discuss with each other, combining their strength like a team. This leads to 25% more strong evidence and fewer false positives. Why does this matter? Because computer programs are fast and accessible. Imagine the difference. Instead of waiting years to find extra patient or do expensive experiment, the child could get the diagnosis within minutes, and the doctors could go straight to the right treatment. By making smarter use of these computer programs, we are giving answer and real hope to families who've waited for too long.